Here are the answers for the day 4 warm-up. Question A. One part of John Dalton's theory about atoms is that atoms of different elements chemically combine in simple whole number ratios to form compounds. In the compound H2O, how many atoms of hydrogen and oxygen have combined together? The subscript on the H is a 2. That tells us that in one molecule of water, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. There's no visible subscript on the capital O. That automatically means there's one O in that formula. That implies that there is one oxygen atom. The formula H2O tells us something about a molecule of water. The molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Question B. Another part of Dalton's theory is that chemical reactions occur when atoms are separated from each other or joined together. Here's a chemical reaction shown in symbols. This collection of symbols is called a chemical equation. It uses an arrow in the middle to separate the left side from the right side. The left side of the equation shows the reactants. Those are the substances that you start with. The right side of the arrow shows the products. Those are the substances that are created when the reactants undergo a chemical reaction. In this reaction, how many hydrogen atoms and how many oxygen atoms are shown on the left side of the equation? We need to focus our attention on this side of the equation. It states there are 2 H2O molecules. Remember that each H2O molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. If there are 2 of them, then there are 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. The coefficient 2 is multiplied to each subscript. Next, how many of each are indicated on the right side of the equation? Now focus your attention over here. There are 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Again, anytime there is a coefficient shown in a chemical equation, that coefficient is multiplied to the subscript numbers to indicate the number of atoms. 2 times 2 is 4 hydrogen atoms. But in front of the O2, there is no number shown. We can think of it as saying that there is 1 O2, and 1 times 2 makes 2 oxygen atoms.